A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already discussed in yesterday's online class about the comparing quantities, the new exercise which we are going to start. Okay, so CP, SP, profit, loss, increase percent, decrease percent, ratio to percent, all these things we have already explained. I've already explained to you. So now we are going to start the exercise. We are going to solve the sums. Okay, so the first question is very simple. The first one is a gardening shear is bought for rupees 250 rupees, okay, and it is sold for rupees 325. So as you told me that in the previous class, you people only told me that sold means selling price, okay, so that was absolutely correct, and buying means cost price. So CP is 250 and SP is 325. Now you can see clearly over here that selling price is greater than cost price. 325 is greater than 250. That means the person is having profit. Okay, so the formula for profit is SP minus CP, but here you have to find out the profit percent also. Okay, so first we'll calculate the profit in rupees, which is 325 minus 250 rupees, so 75 rupees. So this is the profit, but this is the actual amount. We want to calculate the percentage. So formula for profit percent is profit or loss percent is profit upon CP into 100, and if it is loss percent, then it will be loss upon CP into 100. Okay, so you just have to put the values. Profit, you know, it is of 75, cost price is 250 rupees, so 75 upon 250 into 100. So you just have to do the cancellation part, which you can see I have done easily. 0 and 0 get cancelled. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10, and then 5 1s are 5 and 5 15s are 75. So 15 into 2 is 30%. Okay, so it is coming 30%. Okay, so this is the profit percent. So I hope all of you have understood this. Okay, next is I'm doing the D part, where the cost price of a skirt is 250 rupees. Okay, and its selling price is 150 rupees. Skirt kharidi thi, to it was for 250, and when it was sold it is of 150. So here you can see CP is greater than SP, तो loss हो गया. And what is the loss? CP minus SP. So 250 minus 150. So the amount of loss is 100 rupees. Now we have to calculate the loss percentage. So again the formula will be same as in case of profit. Just loss will come in the numerator. So loss upon CP into 100. So it will be 100 upon 250 into 100%. Then 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 25 4s are 100. You all know, you have to remember this. Okay, 25 4s are 100, 4 10s are 40. That means the girl is having 40% loss. Okay, now two parts are remaining. Those two parts you have to do. Now we'll see the next question. So next question, as I told you, ratio. Okay, so you have to you are given some ratio. You have to find out the percentages of each part of the ratio. Now there are two parts. I've written over here, two parts are there, 3 and 1. So I told you in the denominator what will come? The addition of these two. So I've written here denominator will be 3 plus 1 4. Okay, now conversion. Since two parts are there, so the first fraction will be 3 upon 4. If you remember, 3 upon 4. Why 4 is coming? Because the addition of 3 and 1 is 4. So in the denominator 4 will come into 100%. Okay, so percentage sign will come over here, and then 425 is 100. 25 into 3 is 75%. And similarly the other part is 1. So 1 upon 4. Here also again 4 will come. So into 100. Again it is coming 425 is 100. 25 into 1 is 25%. So how to cross check whether your answer is correct or not? You know total percent is always 100. So since there are only two parts, the addition of these two parts should come 100. Compulsory. If it is not coming, that means something is wrong. So 75 plus 25 gives you 100%. Your sum is correct. Now you can see in second question, there are three parts now. So total three parts are there. So the denominator will become addition of all the three, which is 5 plus 3 plus 2, which is 10. Now each of the three parts I have converted. So what you have to remember, numerator में सबके जो ये numbers हैं यही numbers आएंगे. You can see 2, 3 and 5, and denominator of all will be 10 only. So 10, 10, 10 and into 100%. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is 2 tens are 20%, 3 tens are 30% and 5 tens are 50%. So here also you can check, cross check, add all these three. 20 plus 30 plus 50 will give you 100%. Okay, that means your answer is correct. So this way you have to convert each part of the ratio into percent. Okay, so now we will see the last question for today, question number 3. So this question also I have explained you, increase percent. Those who attended the online class, it's advantage for them. Okay, it is given that in a city the initial population was 25,000 and it has decreased to 24,500. So initial population was 25,000, final population is 24,500. In these type of questions, time doesn't matter. Okay, whether this population is given after 1 year or 2 year doesn't matter. Now the formula for decrease a percentage in okay, so here decrease will come. Okay, so percentage decrease will be amount of change upon original amount into 100. So first of all we will calculate what is the decrease in the population. So decrease is clearly 25,000 minus 24,500, which is 500. Okay, so now you will put the values decrease in population upon initial population. I told you in the denominator you have to write the initial. So 500 upon 25,000 into 100%. So just do the cancellation part. 2 zeros cancel here, 1 0 here. So what is remaining I will write for you. So it is remaining 50 upon 25. Okay, so 50 upon 25 is remaining, which is 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. So it is 2%. And make a small change over here also. This is in case of increase, this is decrease. Okay, percentage decrease. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood. Now you have to do the fourth question, which is similar to this. So complete your exercise till question number 4. So that's all for today. Thank you.